Hello everyone, welcome to Nuer Online TV, your trusted channel for the latest story. Before we move on, we have five top story. A deadly attack on gold miner near Jebel Iraq. A drunk soldier arrested in Bor after a viral video. And third, President Kiir changed his private secretary again. And fourth, a cattle theft dispute between Jonglei and Pibor. And last one will be an activist, Edmund Yakane, won about the election deadline. In this report, we'll have two versions. First, we will talk in English, or we will report in English. Second, we'll report in Toknat after this report. Mijira miling tok kawaini kajalarame ki Toknuari. Kenya ambaracha ka tok English ko biro lingaka. Kama dong jirambe goro biliang ka tok nuari bilarame bi shu tuk bitong nuar bakul open ka kore na ko tene te ngwana gorga jeno de kan tok kawaine de kan aling ler lalat ka gwasame ejen milala jeno ka jamane gor je kon dialde kon te ka liang ka ten kon lat ka rodien ne bana je tok English and then yo bakul ben ka tok nat so chana jo me chana jeling. Our first top story, gold miner attack near Jebel Iraq. We begin with sad news from Moyai Sukun near Jebel Iraq in South Sudan. According to the report, early this morning, an army group attacked a gold mining site, killing one person and stealing from many others. The attack happened around 4 a.m. while most workers were still sleeping. Witnesses say the gunmen came suddenly, fired shot and demanded money and phone from the miners. They also looted a small shop near the site before escaping into the hill. One young man from Tony Warab state was shot and killed after he refused to hand over his belongings. Local believe the attacker may be connected to a splitter group of the SPLMIU, but this has not been confirmed by authorities. People who survived the attack say they were left terrified and ran into the nearby bush for safety. The area is known for small-scale gold mining, where many youths go to earn a living. But with this kind of violence, many are now scared to return. Local leaders are asking the government to send security forces to protect the miner and stop further attack. So far, no group has claimed responsibility. Even the SPLIO did not claim it, and the National Army has not yet made a statement. We will continue to follow this story as more information come in. Let's go to Jonglei State, where a drunken soldier was arrested in Bor. This is also one of the sad story too. Now in Bor town, where a shocking video has gone viral on social media. The video shows a soldier pointing a gun at a woman, threatening her while appearing to be drunk. This caused a huge public outcry across South Sudan. Authorities in Bor County acted quickly. The Bor County Commissioner Samuel Atenpage confirmed that the soldier was arrested by national security officers and is now in custody. Commissioner Aten say the soldier apologized in another video, but that does not cancel what he did, he said. He must still be investigated because he has damaged the name of the government and the army. The commissioner also said the soldier name and rank will be shared later after the investigation. The viral clip, which is spread on Facebook and X or Twitter, showed the soldier acting aggressively toward the woman while others nearby try to calm him down. Many citizens have said the video is another reminder that discipline must be enforced within the army forces, especially when it comes to drinking alcohol while on duty. The commissioner assured the public that the soldier will face justice, and the army leadership has apologized to the woman family. Let's move on to President Salva Kiir Mayardit replacing his private secretary. This is also another breaking news in Juba. In Juba, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has made more changes inside his office. On Wednesday, he fired his private secretary Deng Bona Bangdal and appointed Moses Rao Aye as the new private secretary and personal assistant. This is part of a larger wave of change that began earlier this week. The president also replaced his office manager, chief administrator, head of legal affairs, minister of presidential affairs, and the chief of state protocol. This quickly replacement have left many people asking why the president is reshuffling his close team so often. Because this is, yes, people know that this is something that usually take place. President Kiir is known for replacing everyone. Some observers think Salva Kiir Mayardit is trying to strengthen control in his office by choosing new people he fully trusts. Others believe the sudden change shows confusion and mistrust inside the presidency. Now, no official reason has been given for the move. However, analysts say the pattern of firing and appointing it so frequently can create instability and uncertainty, in the government. With the election coming in 2026, this internal change could affect how the presidency prepare politically in the months ahead. Let's move on to Jonglei, and people disagree over cattle theft. Next to Jonglei State, where a new cattle dispute is creating tension between Bor County and the Greater Pibor administrative area. According to Commissioner Samuel Atenpech, more than 120 cattle were stolen from Makoch Payam inside Bor town. He said the theft happened 2 days ago and that the animals were recovered yesterday at around 1 p.m. He added that one cow was killed and eaten by the thieves before the recovery. The commissioner said the thieves were believed to be from Pibor, but officials there have denied the accusation. The information minister of the Greater Pibor administrative area, Jacob Wershum, said, "We have no report of any of our youth stealing cattle. This story is not verified." He also questioned how youth from Pibor could raise cattle inside Bor town, the state capital, without anyone noticing. Wershum said there is currently no fighting or tension between the two communities, and he believes the claim is a misunderstanding. The disagreement between both sides show how fragile relations remain between Jonglei and Pibor, even after several peace talks. Community elders are urging calm and asking both governments to investigate together before making public statements that could lead to more mistrust. Let's take a look at what Yakani said. Yakani urged action before the 2026 election. Finally, in Juba, South Sudanese activist Edmund Yakani, who head the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, called SEPO, is warning that time is running out for the government to prepare for the 2026 national election. According to National Election Act 2023, the government must review and rename all constituencies by December 22nd, 2025. If that doesn't happen, the same constituencies from 2010 will automatically be used again. Yakani said this delay could create confusion and legal problem for the upcoming election. He warned that the government might end up extending the transitional period of forming another temporary administration if deadlines are missed. Edmund Yakani say the path to peace is through holding election on time, and delay could lead to political crisis. Yakani called on the government of national unity to make decision quickly and also respond to recommendation from the United Nations, African Union, IGAD, Intergovernmental Authority in Development, and the National Election Commission. He also reminded leaders that if elections are delayed again, it could lead to legal action in the East Africa Court of Justice based on past region cases. The activist said SEPO is ready to organize dialogue and discussion between peace partners to help create a fair and peaceful environment for voting. Meanwhile, Professor Abenego Ajok, chairperson of the National Election Commission, say there's still no funding for pre-election work despite order from President Salva Kiir Mayardit to release the money. This delay continued to raise doubt about whether South Sudan will truly be ready to vote for by December 22nd, 2026. And that brings us to the end of today's update from Nuer Online News. Joe Baling Guasame channel already ke mendana chalat ke to kawai bana jalat Guasame ke tongnat. Kan konon yam goro no jin channel which support. Lere Baling Guasame men yam regadana chitu gwa depka gwa de chal ke Jebel Iraq ke South Sudan. Gwada mo gwad me la dabla ja jiketin chala do ste karamisha nekten bar report ban jelinkel daran shalke mo yai sukun ner Jebel Iraq gwati ke Jebel Iraq wa ka koron wang dan che joja gwano take ne te jelka mech te choka jen gol mining gwada dan tetke daptin chala do ken chikaram kel chikana nak no kuno kana wachik ben ka wer ka tangwan ala 4am chere de ko la run wang long ki werba wa gwada mo tene di kon la tiken tojka ai kon la don't you choose kalat so don't go relax kete millet kana and then from there chao you jektoya and gwada mo chao you doan match no michika beno kana kon tika michika ne kon taga gol mining gwada ka chicken ga doan match no shukan ka chukan talponi ken chukan ka match chukan you ken chukan kanang kana kwa ko ken wa chicken ga match bone mani duel sugnet ten gwasmo ki shop gwata ki market dan la pol kenditin agenda na shituog and gwasmo what you can wet kel dol metot you can unak ne content when mo churin bar rei rop ka jawdan chalat en gara shana ki ngwada shana gwasmo waran ton ka warab state shabar ka shana ko gwasmo ko jen shelo no to be kwaka kone tin be gorken kwak den che logo no ba kwak ba kanang logo jeno ba yo kanang ke ba kwane cham kan ba kanang chayo ber kan ne tone ne de kon tila local community ke ji wojen wana mone yikala do ne na gwada dan nakana tin de ko jene kon nakana kan tin kon ti jen ka ku mes pelayo ke ga jes pelayo ko jodan ti kala gwasa me do no kana kon confirm authorities ke ne kon ti kalwang netin kontin shikan ka jodan kalat ka janemen kanemen kan ka wo shikan ngwaire rop kanemen ci korche benjine shungoch gwada lat ke dapten ke tat ka dapten wajen langwen kan hotin ko ngwan shu nyare ka so Sudan bu ka we bu ko tat ka dap gwasa mo yo mi shi dap shi kul jek ba kul ko ba ji kul moy ka yo ajen gwadan ko kan kon le jekten genetic content la ji authority shiga roja gwan wonena kene de security de je provide ki de ne kon la de glass let ngwada mo ko de na de ka gang ko ni tam chala do terambele let ka jen gol mining ngwasa mo ko cha la gwan me nakanaten anga bi ndo ko we let no ka tele de shi inshallah ten ngwada mo de na de ka gang cha jo me cha je ko ne no bana we kaler do dien jo dien gwasa men bana kwen do ba chalat ke kui dej mi yong kwang re wejbor mi ciek mi di chaje denak ciek jane dal chal ke bo tona ga jongle state gwade dane cha me cha kabien cha tokten jete ke ngwetkel mi shimat ka kwang long ka jene de SSPDF be dej jen jala kamach lola mach la ja tu mashik video mashallah ka social media mishi went viral ka Facebook ka Twitter ka TikTok anywhere changa jo na me ude meni men chalat area ko jen wajen tieje yo ka jo man chalat gwara den jo ga man di no ngun jo ke je ka bom no moje ka yo mishi mo yo bajinak wajen do badanen shirike de to ko je so ma cha turo cha video de cha chulat ka social media so jan gwada na kwala ngai tin no de indian content chala re we bor e kap kan match bon man chala red bell group wa cha gu jeno kan gul rudian dial wa ka yang kwane lo ko before that chiga na kan ngana by the way cheng dan to kan eja mi cha gu jeno ka kan gul kan mat ka kwang gula jan do dan na kana ka ja ne lat kalet by the way chicken ate go kan ate drug addict drug dealer ka ke dine pankila dine SSPDF mi go kan omen kan la da mi je ka long shima gwa jan menen yana ma ko to kan ma ba to chi SSPDF bi chicken yin kana ba orudian mat kan kwan kwa ka le mat ka jan guyen ma cha ka kam salar ne ken cha kam yoken ko kan chicken kwan kan ja man yam so na me mi je ka long mi shigwa ka gwaza ma me shi cha video sha jala online shi bor county commissioner Samuel Ten page shi kana gujano dio je wude me poleke so ji kuru mo yekana kap jikana on social media ka video lo ba right ni amnat ko jen cha yong long by the way yong mi je chi yong mo gwa dan ka jano ram ko ngetet ko ba ka lat ko bi kana carried out shi kala wona mat kana ko ang so on gwal mi kana ngajino shi video cha won viral chi kuru mo yekana kap ko roda ai ko jen wude ma cha manai ko kwa je capture ko video kwa kwale ba ko mi chi kana by the way de kana nak shi karan pel so mission mo mission to shawuda me cha yu kap re wij boran wi mi ko jen cham yonga kwang anta me cha chala do cha je kap ngoda bay bu kana kule investigate bana me jen talk by the way me talk do me michal ka me Nasser Kapanal again the same thing ko ne ti la yongran ga kwang yomi kuri to ba ne ko ken ba ko belem kap kana ka bom shire mi chalar ne me one of the factor men yer kum SSPDF kan ko ken la na kana yo ba weto eto dep kan ka these are the people in content that get you the lot so ne me jen da na chutu ko no mo chala do jen chinete ngwan chi ka lo den je ga lon ka jang no they can they need unqualified to can discipline de ka laslet wo kan maju kan ga kep gwan mu ku kana ku kan target wa panken ka video raje ka tok jana lo gor ne yo ka video mi kanere kona shilat ka wajen teje man didino mo je yuku man didile la leng man didino an garete la dor ka jala mai la tumaran no so na me dar kul gwan ma ring mu di che chong je galong shi kana wala do ba public ba ga gang re bor ka ngai kon yar no na me kai keliu so these people here kana of course yang men ka jang na me indication by the way ka kondial ja panal ne ko ken ka jongle wo win ko ken no SSPDF they are nothing but drunkard right ka yang kwana ne ken ko jana dan let ken ke jana na cha goro ba ngaje ne dial na me so mi chene me too much ke chi mi charo da lot diega long shana we ka president Salva Kiir yadit bana jalele shek president Salva Kiir yadit Ramadan let ken kel che joj la private secretary won mishala deng bona bangdel che joj charadin mishala Musa saro aye che wo ka korge me che ne wan ka office de che joj me office manager che joj chief of administrative che joj che of legal affairs che joj minister presidential affairs che joj ba chief of state protocol ne dia le jaga joj ka office de ja gut ken che mo ne ko ken so mu chene me cha je lok bone ti ngwana no kire ngum la na wuje ba cha gu je no jen dio je no ne tin konjin ko ro de soron ke gore je no ne ti ba ga control ko ba je lok election en beben gwasa me do bu dana wuje na ka je tele official statement me sha release ba te joje gwan wo shi kan panken cha ka wo kiti kem yadi che Ramadan tin no ko che ka yu kwan so ge je no ne diala wo ko control so jo ma chala no dong jang ro de kare di ke jen 2026 election be ben dar shal me jong le ken pi bor shi ka ga ka kwita ya dane shi cha kwal ge je ok jane re wij bor ka ler mi cha kwen gwazo mene chi murale kwarken chi ka gak jo ken tin kontin taga jongle jang taga jongle chet ka kwala commissioner Samuel Ten page wud jangana me jo kan no men chala chi mo gwa ko Ten page la do ne chi kan nok to chop ko kodu jan dangaro chi kan ko nyoko lu jo kan ite ko ne chi ka kwal ko kwal ka ma coach payam ne ken yam ne chara no ko shop ke kit ma coach payam wate ni ndar bor point la bor town jen gwada na kwal ko okten kan de ti cha la ne ken ko murlene mi cha ka contact ko ken ko la murlene chi gara do chi ka ken ko ngai kon chi ken to chi ken malalat te randian mila information minister mi chale chale je ko worship a great people administrative area and ran information minister jen je tok che malalat tinki na ora ina ka kwiko de tok de jala la tok la ja teye kene gor jeno de yen me de yen ko na ya le ka biya ko ngaje no kan ne ko wala shi ne ko jeno tele liam ci tuok tele me de sha gwa jeno shi ne ke na jeno me ne ke dong de la jeno de ko de to ko cha de no ka jeno de ko non kwal ko shi ne ko bat ko cha chu jek bon tandien jo me mi choro la jeral dan to ka ken winemi ler den gwas me bala man chalat yakani cha right ka ku inquire 2026 election la de jeno ne na jena kwarka community empowerment for progress organization mi chala sepo cepo jen she woni ke to ke chana che galar tin ko mbutok eno kuma daro de aleka ke 2026 national election la ku inquiring jeni gwano ti diale konde chalat ne ke 2023 National Election Act 2023 and de kuma der ti dial te konde chalat de nyok der ka nyok muko kare aleka shit ko ngai konde ale no en ko inquire bala 2026 ka jawra na chalat gwasme bare jeni che betuog mekan kuma mekan ro de kore aleka yakane jeni chole kuma sa Sudan ke government of national unity and we begin decision begin kan no de ka right ke United Nation Africa Union IGAD ke National Election Commission no ne reality they can deal right ka dob dan de ko inquire de lat ke jem ko mu kana cha ko inquire cha lat ke 2026 shen mun ya kana jela dan wona ne bene kuma kin yadi bene nan ke African Code of Justice ka jo dan lat gwase me no jo mu shit kana me en mun ya kana jeni bikan East African Code of Justice bikan laler mu kana shi kuma kirm yadi tikana goro ba ko inquire ba jelat she activist jo mo jalat East African Code of Justice ne konalan mi jillo go ba ko inquire ba jelat la kanya tich ba jiti ka do bran shi let keje sha jo me cha jelat dino no duno wo ci Professor Abenego Akok jaram dala chairperson chala do ne National Election Commission jene National Election Commission jene kontel ne fantle yo ati de election de lat keke shangmal ci medan ci president serve kim yadi ci order je to bono ne de yo de ka kamrar no kan ngai kono no en ko inquire ci tiak December 2022 December 22nd 2026 en election mo go ne diara wika so Sudan so me cha kwak cha gare leka ba ko inquire ba ji kule ladi so jo me chalat en mun yakane ajan gwada na ban chongten ban nyaw jegal rodin biatemal